Ford will manufacture its EVs with Tesla proprietary charging ports starting 2025. In exchange, Tesla will give Ford drivers the ability to charge at 12,000 of its Supercharger stations. Supercharger access for Ford drivers will begin in 2024 if they purchase a Tesla-developed adapter. In 2025, Ford will make a manufacturing switch. It will stop building its vehicles with CCS ports and swap in the Tesla proprietary connector, which is a win for Tesla, which has been open about its mission to supplant CCS with its own charging port as US national standard. In February, Tesla announced it would allow all non-Teslas, not just Ford, access to 7,500 superchargers in support of the nation's charging network. In Europe, Tesla has a large network of public superchargers already in place. While there's 15 locations with 107 superchargers in the UAE, do you think we have enough superchargers? Could we do with more? Let us know down in the comments below.